Welcome to the heavenly world of Princess Premium Desserts. Imagine the finest gelato, decadent pastries, and mouth-watering candy, all combined to create an unforgettable taste sensation you must experience on your next cruise with Princess. These drool-worthy treats can be found in the gelateria, swirls, or coffee and cones on any Princess ship. And if you have the Princess Premier package, you can indulge in these premium crafted, decadent desserts 2 times a day during your sailing. Of course, you can always opt for a la carte pricing, with the prices listed beside each scrumptious creation. Or, for those who enjoy a little extra kick, you can add a shot of your favorite liquor straight on in. It's the perfect way to elevate your boozy dessert game to the next level. Cheers! Now, it's your turn to keep this delicious conversation going. What's your ultimate dream dessert? Are you a gelato fan, or are you a basic Betty who prefers the classic pastry? Let us know in the comments section below, and until next time!